Ever felt like your team is stuck in a tech debt death spiral? Code bases creaking under legacy weight, urgent fixes drowning out innovation? The Tech Debt Management Pack cracks this nut with automated debt discovery using AST analysis, customizable scoring models weighing impact/severity/cost, sprint planning tools with capacity allocation algorithms, and live dashboards tracking code quality metrics like Sonar Cube integrations. Say goodbye to death marches and hello to velocity. Engineering leads, DevOps leads, platform engineers, and release managers. This is your escape hatch from maintenance hell. Here's what's inside the Tech Debt Management Pack: Debt Identification Module with static code analysis pipelines, weighted scoring matrix configuration with customizable rubrics, sprint planning interface with capacity planning calculators, real-time tracking dashboards featuring burn down charts and code smell heat maps. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform chaos into clarity. Your roadmap to clean code starts here. Installing the Tech Debt Management Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add tech-debt-pack. That's it. The full workflow downloads instantly: identification scripts, scoring models, sprint templates, and dashboards. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands debt triage strategies, sprint velocity calculations, and code quality KPIs. No PhD in spreadsheets required. Start crushing debt faster than a junior dev avoiding code reviews.